Birds and the Bees. All right, I need 3 volunteers. I'll play this game. I like it. Birds and the Bees. 2 other volunteers. We got Jefferson and Steven, the Birds and the Bees. Who would like to be the parents and who would like to be the kid in this game? I'll be an adult. Who wants to be the kid? That was not a correct version. Yeah, you're the kid. You lose, so you're the kid. Go step outside. All right. Well, you don't have to step outside. This isn't a guessing game. All right. How this game works. Jefferson has done something that is akin to learning about sex, and we are going to confront him about it. But it wasn't sex. It was something mundane. What is an everyday activity that he could be caught doing? An
Masturbation.
Other than masturbation. Something non-sexual. Over here. Anything.
Climbing a tree.
From over here. Anything. Eating popcorn. All right. Jefferson has been caught eating popcorn, and we, our parents, are going to talk to him about the dangers of eating popcorn.
Oh, honey. Oh, thank God you're home. Oh, my God, I've had such a day.
Jeffrey, always with the drama. I am relaxing.
Stefan, please. We need to talk about our adopted child.
There's nothing wrong with Mikhail.
Mikhail?
Mikhail is okay.
Mikhail? I was cleaning the microwave, and I found kernels. Popcorn kernels!
You cannot be speaking the truth because that is disgusting. Mikhail!
I saw him go to his bedroom, and I swear to God,
No.
he was hiding his hands in his pockets because there was butter on his fingers.
We've raised an animal. Oh, God.
We need to talk to him. We need to talk to him before it's too late.
Mikhail!
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 Mikhail! Come in here.
Oh, what's going on?
Your father and I had something to tell you.
What? What is it?
Oh, you know Jeffrey is dramatic, but this is serious.
Have a seat. No audience members are taking the seat.
All right.
There are a lot of random seats in this house, as you know, Mikhail. And this one is the trouble seat. Specifically for you, because you are in trouble.
You've only sat in the trouble seat twice in your life, and this is one of the most important times.
I don't think there's anything more unbecoming a person can do than lower themselves. I mean, people do it in the movie theaters now.
They just push it on you. They push it on you. I swear to God, they push it on the children.
And it was the cheap stuff, too. Oh, look out.
It wasn't even fresh.
What do you think I was? What are you talking about?
We know, Mikhail, and I'm so disappointed.
I mean, it's just. I like bucketfuls of it. I don't know.
Bucketfuls!
I mean, it's really good.
I make you the best cobbed corn that I can make. It's my mother's recipe.
Oh,
Isn't it enough for you?
It's no good when it's raw.
Look what you are doing to your father. Have you no shame?
I mean, I got the idea when I was lost in that maze.
You went to the corn maze?
Your father and I did not permit you to go to the corn pit. I can't even speak.
Listen, no, Jeffrey, this is good. This is good. This idea came from his friends.
Where, who, what friends?
Yes, we would never, and not in our house. No, this came from your friends. Shame on your friends.
Shame on them. Is it Jeffrey?
Well, it sounds. It's a little bit like Jeffrey, more like Jiffy.
Oh. One more word out of you, and I'm going to pop. I am going to pop.
You haven't. I found kernels in the microwave. You haven't been doing it at home.
Now listen.
I mean, That's not why we're all assault or anything.
I better not go see any in the toilet right now, I swear. I swear to you,
If I
Mikhail.
pick through with gloves, your room, I find a single kernel. One kernel, you are out of this house, young man.
Don't go through people's poop.
I'll do it! I'll do it! If it keeps our son safe, I will do it!
Please. Listen, that's something that I simply cannot keep from the neighbors. Do not do that.
Where did you learn? Where did you learn to do it? Who taught you how to pop?
Listen, I know it's fun. I know your friends are doing it. You just keep grabbing it and putting it in your mouth. But listen, that stuff is bad for you, okay?
It's empty calories.
Well, it fell on me in a baseball game, and I thought...
I told you we should never have gotten them into sports.
Listen, we were raising you to be a much more dignified person than this, Mikhail. We thought of we thought of private college, not public college. Now we're thinking public college.
Absolutely. I'm teaching you that is some sort of fraternity.
Exactly. They just pass that stuff around at the state college.
Like it's nothing. Like it's condoms.
Yeah. I hope they're passing it there. Oh God. Listen, Mikhail. If you apologize now, we can put this all behind us. I just want to know that you recognize what you have done.
I just want to know you're still our little boy.
I mean, the microwave had a setting for it. I just...
The microwave taught him! I knew it!
The microwave was all your idea, Jefferson.
So suggestive!